Hi, I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sound. Here it is in context. Okay, so the main concept behind the sound is just really just EQing. It's just an EQ'd Supersaw. So to start out, we have unison order of 9. Unison fosters are only turned on. I have 100% panning, volume, and phase, and then I have 92% unison pitch, and I have 66% sub-level and no offload variation. So for the sub-level, if you read the manual, it says that for any positive amount, it'll generate these amount of voices an octave below, and I guess that just made a difference, because if I turn this off and I bring it down an octave, it sounds slightly different from playing up the octave and turning on the sub-level. So I decided to keep it like this. I like this better. So yeah, operator 1 is just a saw wave. I have a little bit of noise. It's honestly negligible. And I have this shape for the volume envelope for more expression / musicality. So it just has a gentle attack and sustains at 100% and then decays off after the note is finished pressing. And if we go down to this arrow, I copied the state and pasted it to operator 2 and the effects. So operator 2 is another saw wave and same old envelope, also a little bit of noise. That's it for operator 2, really. And the effects is just chorus, no reverb or delay. So a chorus order of 9, 91% depth, 28% chorus speed, 6% chorus delay, 100% chorus spread, negative 25% chorus cross, and just full volume for the chorus. Adjust that to taste, and as you can see, same volume ADSR. As for the key element of the sound, it's just an EQ. So that's what it sounds like without the EQ, and here's what it sounds like with. It changes the texture just enough. So there's nothing going on in this lower filter, but in the middle I have a peak filter at 13.8 decibels at 1500 hertz with a default default Q, and then I have a high shelf at 8.8 decibels at 8000 hertz and default Q. So basically, if you get out the EQ, that's basically what I'm doing for my visual friends. And that's it. That's basically the sound. If you have any questions, please let me know, and have an awesome day.